Number 2. Catching a yawn could help us bond. The workday has just begun, and you're ready to get lots done. You're sitting at your cubicle during your morning meeting when the guy next to you lets out a big, loud, obnoxious yawn. Before you know it, you're yawning yourself, but you're not even tired. That's a response yawn. There are various theories explaining why yawns are contagious. One of the leading ones being that response yawns demonstrate empathy. This explains why young children that haven't yet developed a sense of empathy, or those on the autism spectrum, are less likely to respond